The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The JR3000V was one of Makita's very most popular recip saws. They made many changes to it over the years. Because of this, when you replace one part, it may be necessary to replace several others around it. If you go to Makita's website and search for the model JR3000V, you'll find a parts breakdown. At the bottom of the breakdown, there's a complete list of all the service bulletins. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Now I can remove the cord clamp that secures the cord to the housing. Once the clamp's removed, I'll loosen the screws that secure the cord wires to the switch. And now I can remove the cord guard from the cord. Now install the new cord guard. I thread the wires through the cord guard and over the insulation. Now the cord is ready to go back into the tool. I'll align the cord guard with the opening in the tool. I'll make sure that I have the main cord insulation over the location for the cord clamp. Then I'll secure the cord with the clamp. Now I can reattach the wires. The black wire was closest to the armature. And the white wire on the other post. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord guard on your power tool.